Good morning, everyone. How's it going? This is Aaron from PCH Custom Audio, online car stereo. Check out this beautiful project we just finished up. This is a 2016 Bentley Continental. So we did a full stereo system in here. We upgraded a couple of the speakers, put a DSP amplifier in here, and then we also upgraded the factory radio. So he had a factory smaller screen. Now we got a big old 10-inch screen in there with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So check out our install here in the trunk. So this is Musway M8 DSP amplifier. So this bad boy will do about 80 watts by 6 and then 125 by 2 on the mid basses. So this is all hooked up. It's playing a lot of the factory speakers as well as aftermarket speakers, fully DSP'd and tuned on the computer to tune it and make it sound how we want. We have the Kenwood bass amp on our JL Audio box right here. So this is 2 W3s ported from JL Audio. Look how beautiful that sits in the car and sounds good. So let me close the trunk. Let's go inside and fire it up. You're gonna get on the other side. And let's go check out the radio we did here. So getting in the car, we'll start her up. So now we have this big, huge, beautiful, I think it's a 10.5-inch screen. So if you guys got any Bentley, some high-end cars that are harder to do radios, we got some tricks and some vendors we can get a hold of to upgrade your res radio. So we're gonna turn it on and give it a little demo here and see how it sounds. I think my phone's hooked up here. Let's see. iPhone hooked up. Let's play some music here. See what it sounds like. Tuning. Let's do. So this guy likes a lot of bass here. So let's see how good these eights do. Wrong one. So your steering wheel controls, everything here works. We got our bass knob down here to control it. So you want crazy bass, we'll turn it up. So yeah, we do it all. If you guys got any questions or concerns, look up PCH Custom Audio, online car stereo. We'll hook you guys up.